This is how much money this made me only last week. And trust me guys, you can earn much more if you apply yourself and do even more than I'm doing. I will show you step by step how it works, and you can be so much profitable if you do everything correctly. It's simple, it's easy, and it works. So if you want to make money, follow me along the video and please like it as well because it really helps. Now let's get started. So first of all guys, for this method today, we're gonna use some PLR books. And for those oblivious of you, PLR stands for private label rights. So these books can be downloaded, and as you can see, there are a lot of websites on which you can download this, and when you download them, you can do whatever you want with them. You can sell them, you can copy them, you can print them, you can do whatever you want. And the way in which we're going to use them today is we're going to make money out of them. So for example, let's click just on this first one, and here on this website, free PLR downloads, you can see that there are a lot of these books which are in a lot of categories. So there are a lot of niches here, as you can see, a lot of pages, so you can choose for yourself which one attracts you the most. But here on the left side, you have these categories on this list here, and as you can see, these which are in higher font, well, those are a bit more famous, a bit more traffic is in for these. So for example, you have health, you have finance, you have email marketing, you have business, you have blogging, affiliate marketing, and I think that fitness and health and internet marketing and weight loss to some extent, here it is. It is the most profitable nowadays because everyone wants that, everyone is searching for that, so it gains a lot of traffic, and that means that we can get a lot of money out of it. A lot of money is in here guys, so let me just show you how this actually works. And for example, for this example in this video, I will choose this one, weight loss niche, and you see that there are a lot of them. So what you need to do guys is when you decide your niche over here, you will just click on it and it will select all of these, and now for downloading this, you just have to click on it, and then you will just have to download it and click on this zip folder icon, click on download, and it's gonna go straight to your computer. And now what I can do with this ebook, I can copy it, I can sell it, I can do whatever I want guys. It's mine to do whatever I want because this works in that way. And there are of course many other, so there is in digital works, there is some PLR free online, there is ID PLR, we covered that recently. So you can see that there are a lot of these books, so there is a lot of money to be made. And this right here, this is affplus.com. Please guys remember this one because this is an affiliate offer website and you can get a lot of money on this one. But what is different on this website of all the other affiliating websites is that this website doesn't require someone to buy something so that you can get a commission. No. This website allows you to simply make a registration of some person, or they should just enter their email in some box and then you will get paid. This is cost per action guys, so people can just come here, enter their email address, and you will get paid a lot of money guys. A lot of people are going to click on that and a lot of people will make you money. This means that it is much easier to get people to come here and to enter their email address because they don't need to pay anything and they will happily just come and claim that offer by just entering email, and that's it. Of course, this comes at a price because as you can see, some of these are sometimes less payable. So you can get a lot less money, but trust me guys, a lot of people will come and enter that email address, so this will accumulate, and in the end, you will get the same amount. Even more because more people will come and just enter their email address in here. And now what we have to do in order to start this up is we need to find some offer which is in the exact same niche as the ebook that you have downloaded from this website. So find a niche like this one, find it over here, so some offer for example, and that's a start. So my niche for this example is weight loss. I will just come here and type in weight loss. I will click enter, and now it's gonna open all of these weight loss offers because that's my niche for this example. That's what's gonna make me a lot of money. Now just search for something that is really good paying and that will get a lot of people to enter their email address. That's it, guys. So for example, I found this offer, and if you want to run this one, you just click on run this offer. And if you want to see what is this about, you just click here for the preview of their website. But since this is different for every niche, I won't go over it to prolong this video. I will leave that up to you. And now I'm going to show you how you can actually set this up properly. What you have to do now, guys, is you have to go on a website which is called ilovepdf.com. And since the website that we have downloaded those PLRs gives us ebooks in PDF file, that's very good. You will just come on this website and you will go and click here on Edit PDF. Now you will just select that PDF file, and now you will edit that PDF in this editor of theirs. And what you have to do, guys, it is very, very simple. You will grab this affiliate link. When you run this offer, you will get a special affiliate link. Copy that and now just paste it here. Paste it on the top of each of this page. So for example, you will just edit this, you will just add the box here, you will add some text, add text, and here you will paste that affiliate link of yours, guys. And at the end of each page, you will do the exact same thing because that's gonna make you money. People will read this book and they will find this affiliate link of yours, and that's how they're gonna sign up there and you're gonna get a commission. Now, how sweet is that, guys? Now, only thing that we need is we need to get some traffic. We need to get some people to download this ebook. And that's very, very easy, guys. Simply go to reddit.com and just go and search those weight loss topics. There are a lot of weight loss topics on Reddit, and you can find a lot of traffic for your needs. You can see that there are a lot of these questions, and you can just go and paste your ebook there. You will just paste your ebook. You will help these people to lose their weight. They're gonna read that ebook and they will find that special link of yours there. They're gonna be curious. They're gonna go to that affiliate offer and they're gonna sign up with their email address. And that's how you're gonna make a lot of money with these guys. Just look at that. When this one, you can get $81 for each sign up, guys, and that's amazing. That's amazing money for you. There are a lot of others. As you can see, this one is only $0.42. But now look at this, guys. Since this is free, a lot of people will come and simply enter their email because they want to lose weight in this example. But now look what happens when you put that into traffic on Reddit. You can do it on Facebook groups as well. So $0.42 times 1,000 people. If only 1,000 people get that, you will get $420, guys. And 1,000 people on Facebook and Reddit, I mean, it's so easy, guys. They don't have to purchase anything. They just have to enter their email address and you get $400. Trust me, guys, you can get 10,000 people. You can get 10,000 people. Trust me, because 10,000 people times $0.42, that's $4,000 for you guys. $4,000. Pretty easy, pretty simple. By just combining this website, ilovepdf.com, and this AFF Plus, and using the Reddit's traffic or Facebook's traffic, whatever, you will get a lot of money. Now go out there, follow this closely, guys, and get yourself some money. I'll see you later.